Yeah, dude, go ahead.
Get a lot of shit.
Yeah. Hey, it works.
Fuck yeah, dude.
That fired right up.
Fuck yeah, dude.
That sounded pretty choppy too.
Yeah, that sounds sick. Cool, man.
Hold on, I want a video too. People fire this thing. Alright. Is there any fuel leaks yet?
I hear something bubbling.
No.
I know.
Oh, don't worry about that. Shut the fuck up. Congratulations, man.
Alright, fire.
That was the first drop.
Dude, that thing
That's
sounds
awesome.
fucking mean.
That does sound good.
Fuel leak back here.
Alright, man, go get a trailer and get out of my shop.
What, she leaked in there?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, you're probably leaking trans fluid, dude.
Oh yeah, she's leaking trans fluid.
Yeah.
So we got fuel and trans fluid leak?
That's not important.
No.
Well, I don't see a fuel leak anymore yet.
No.
Besides back there, and that was easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's... Is it at the sending unit, or is it farther down?
Cool, man.